Tell me when.
When you're ready. Oh, do the feather. Yeah. Well, you've ruined it now, but...
There we go.
Cool, man. I reckon you've done more laps around here than me. So
Yeah,
just
been taken twice.
I'm
Oh,
just going to sit back and hold on.
steering's nice.
Yeah. Honestly, there is... I said to Glenn when he jumped in, I said the biggest compliment I can give this car is that you'll be surprised. What I would say is just be very patient on the gas,
Yep.
because it will lift the nose.
Gotcha.
So particularly here, just be patient. When the nose is in line with the curb at the start, then gas. And you can just feel it, just sort of changes the lane. Through here as well, just be, yeah, that's it. You don't want to carry the gas through here.
Since I've driven in that car this fast.
I was going to say, what was the last quick car you drove? And just hay shed because of the smaller tyre, just be wary on the entry, a little bit of brake. Yeah, that's it. Nice. It would have been like F8 or something?
I don't even know, to be honest.
MC20. To the end in the serrated curb, yep, then go. Just because it launches. Into here, wait till you're kind of in line with the M.
Yep.
Go.
Leave it as third, really.
Well, it's got so much torque.
Yeah.
Starting to get a bit hot on the left rear, isn't it?
Revs too.
To 8, I know.
Jesus.
That's actually, you did it very well then. That is the worst corner. That's my weakest corner in Australia.
So if you leave it in third here...
No, I run second, but I do exactly what you did. I grab third straight away.
But it pulls. I mean, I don't know if there'd be that much in it in time. What do you reckon?
No, it's only to turn the car. Yeah. That second just helps it turn.
chirping from the turbos.
Yeah, and that's TC. Just
yeah, when it's cutting in, that's awesome.
It's cool, isn't it? Sounds like you're going out in centre, which I believe is what you're actually trying to achieve, if I'm not mistaken. I've seen this technique before.
That's right. Yeah, that's the goal, isn't it? How many throttle inputs can you do in one corner?
That's right. If you get to 10, that means you're 10 out of 10 as a driver. What are your thoughts?
I don't really know what I was expecting because it's a, you know, I've never driven a Maserati supercar.
Yeah.
It's bloody awesome. Like the steering's so nice.
Super quick too.
Yeah, but
because the tyre is narrow, it's super sharp, but you do have to drive accordingly.
yeah, it's got a feels still a bit of roll in it. It's faster than I thought it would be.
Yeah, me too. But not like intimidating.
No, but it just doesn't stop.
But just super fast.
And it rolls a bit, but it's got more grip than you think.
Yeah. Clear the brake, clear the brake. Yep, wait. Ah, you didn't need that gas. Wait.
Messed it up.
Go. Yeah.
I'm always messing it up.
See how it just turns that little bit better?